Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Christmas village. It also has Christmas ornaments in it, but I'm only going to unbox the Christmas village for this video. This video is in participation with Everyday Living with Karen Jeter and Miss Cheryl's Place, and they've asked us to unbox some of our Christmas items, either do a haul or decorate a space, and I'm gonna be decorating a space. This village last year, and this year I'm going to expand it. So I'm going to be decorating over my TV. So what I'm doing here is taking this cotton tablecloth that I purchased from Dollar Tree last year. That's gonna act as snow. I think this is a great idea. That way when my grandkids come over there, I don't have to worry about moving it because it's up high. And I'll link both of these ladies' channels in the description box and a link to the playlist. I have the hotel. That's the post office, the first one. Now I have the hotel. I picked all these items up from the Dollar Tree. Has a LED light in it. I'll show you how it look at night. Got the house and the church. Can't leave the church out. I'm gonna add my flocked Christmas trees. I'm just gonna play around until I get it to my liking. So I want to go ahead and thank Karen and Cheryl for hosting this fun challenge. I like these unboxing videos. So I hope they do them every season. And this is an acrylic Christmas tree that I picked up from Dollar Tree last year. I'm just going to add it to my village. Now we have the post office. Now this is a Sunday, so the post office is closed. So most of the people are headed to church, as you can see here. See my little snowman? But Mr. Smith and his son, they shoveling snow, so I don't think they're gonna make it to church this Sunday. But Miss Smith is gonna go ahead and go after she finished taking Wawa for a walk. And Santa Claus, he got snowed in, so he's gonna go ahead and get him a room at the hotel. I think that's Santa Claus. Who is that? And Mr. Snowman is a stocking hanger. I have one on each end. So this is my Christmas village 2019. I love creating this little village. I'll be adding as I see new pieces. So I want to thank Cheryl and Karen for hosting this wonderful challenge. There will be a link in the description box for you to check out everyone's unboxing videos. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love at night. Isn't that pretty? So this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Hold on a few more seconds and I'll show you my little trick, because all of my LED lights the batteries were gone. So I came up with another solution. I just set it on top of these little lights, the little push lights from the Dollar Tree. Yep, there's more than one way to do things, people. So you don't even see the light when I hold the camera like that. Yay! I don't think you